Hey loves, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I'm back with another crochet hairstyle, and today I'll be trying out this mini twist style which I absolutely love. So I previously tried this hair in a different color 1B, which is black, and I really loved it. So I thought maybe I should try a new color and share with you guys. So this is from FULCRUM Hair, and this is the mini twist crochet hair. In the package we have 10 packs, and that's how the hair looks out of the package. So all details of this hair will be linked in my description box. You can check that out. Also, I have a coupon code that you can use to save some coins on your purchase. This is the braiding pattern that I did, so you can see I have cornrows that are crossed over each other. So that's what will make my parts look more natural. So I created a middle part and two side parts, one on each side. So that's how the back looks. It's just the same cornrows going back. So I wanted to be able to put my hair up in a bun like how I did previously. So I just made cornrows going up just like that at the back. So when I did this in my previous video, it really worked well. It really gave me options when I wanted to style my hair. I was able to put my hair up in a bun. So if you want the same thing, just make sure that you do the same cornrows as how I did at the back. So as you can see, the hair is very thin because these are mini twists. So if you're installing them yourself, it can take a while to finish. So to speed up the process and save time, I'll be grabbing 2 strands each time so that I can go a little bit quicker. And if you watch my videos, I like to keep track of the amount of hair that I'm using as I go, because you don't want to run out of hair when you're almost done. But I didn't have to worry about that because this hair came with enough bundles. As I mentioned before, I received 10 packs, so I divided the hair and used 5 for the back of my head and 5 for the front of my head. And if you don't like your hair very full, you can go ahead and use less bundles. I just like mine very full and thick. That's why I used all the hair that I had. But even if you use all the bundles, you don't have to worry at all. The hair is very light. I used 10 packs and the hair was still very light. I could barely feel any weight on my head. So that's how the hair is looking so far, and I used about 4 packs, so I'll go ahead and start installing the front of my head. And when you do your cornrows in the front, just make sure that you do them as thin and as many as you can, because the hair is very thin. So if you do them very big, the hair won't look good. So if you can do at least 10, for me I did 10 of them and it worked really well. So if you can do 10, it should be fine. But if you want to do more than that, then you can go ahead and do that. That's where my side part will be, so I'm just making sure that I install the hair very close together because you don't want your cornrows to be showing. Also, I'll do the same thing for my middle part. So this hair is fairly easy to install, as you can see, and it took me less than 3 hours to do everything. So if you're still thinking about doing this hairstyle, you should give it a try. And some crochet hairstyles pull a lot on your head, but this one doesn't do that at all. The hair is very thin and it's soft too, so it won't cause any tension on your scalp. Now I'm done, and that's how the hair looks so far. So I'm just checking to see if I have any gaps, and that's how much hair I'm left with. So I'm just gonna use that to cover those gaps, and I can feel I have a space on top of my head, so I'm just gonna use the hair to cover the space. So now I'm done with that, and I can see that the back looks good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shape the hair and also cut the ends, as I can see that the ends are a bit frizzy. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do that, and that's it. Now I'm done, and this is the final look. So I'm really obsessed with how this hair turned out. The hair looks very full, it's super soft, and it's not heavy at all. Also, I really love the color. So if you want to check this hair out, I'll put all details in my description box so you can check that out. And when it comes to styling this hair, you really have so many options. So as you can see, I made my hair very full, but still it's very easy to gather the hair together in a ponytail. So you can wear your hair up, you can wear it down, middle part, side parts. So I want to show you guys when my hair is up in a bun. So that's how it looks. So if you're on the same thing, just make sure that you do the same braiding pattern as how I did. So let me know what you think about this hairstyle. Would you try it? And as I mentioned before, this is my second time trying this hairstyle, and I really love it. So if you're still thinking about doing this hairstyle, you should really give it a try. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you so much. I'll see you all on my next one.